welcome back to
Nuha.
Sal. It's been a while because, little Aziz has kept us busy. Isn't that right, babe? He's now in bed right now, so we thought we'd take the opportunity to unbox our new thing. You probably saw
I'm
it, people.
excited. I'm excited, man. I was waiting for this drone for so long, but it's finally here. We're gonna have a drone in our YouTube, so make sure you guys stay tuned.
Exactly, and get ready. Can you guys guess what it is? What's your favorite drone? Put it in the comments. Like, what drone would you buy?
Yeah.
Anyway, here it goes. It is.
Ta-da-da!
Now, babe, what's it called?
DJI Mini Pro. DJI.
DJI Mini at 3 Pro.
But I think they call it as
Digi.
Oh, DG, not
I think
DJI.
it's DG. I think it's DG.
Yeah,
I don't know. I think, yeah.
Yeah, but yeah. So this is the Pro one. They have the DG Pro. They have the DG 3.
Yeah.
The mini 3.
So we nearly bought the 3, and then we found out this one actually, what was it? Apparently it follows you around, like when you do it, whereas the normal one doesn't, the 3.
You can put it tracks you now.
Yeah, which we thought would be really cool when we start traveling, babe.
Yeah. So watch out for our travel videos too.
Yeah, guys, it's coming soon, guys, coming soon. So today we're going to unbox it. As you can see, we got it for whopping 1,300 kilos now.
Yeah, because I'm on a leg, yeah?
Yes, wow. Like, it's expensive drone, guys.
Finally.
We're going to tell you what we got in it, because we got the one with the screen. What's it called? That was a specific...
built-in screen, 5 inches screen.
Yeah, and it's a certain... Because you get 2 remotes. So there's this remote, and then there's the one without the screen. But we're like, we want the screen. So let's unbox this baby, yeah?
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
Where's the knife? I brought the knife. That's my knife right there. Put the knife through it. Let's see, vibe. There we go. Look at it. Can you guys see?
Yep.
Where should we put the knife through? Yeah, this is handled with care.
Alright.
So here you go.
Hey. Ooh. Here we go.
Coming up. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, saludos.
Alright, let's do this thing.
Happy Mother's Day.
I think this is for both of us, babe.
Happy Father's Day and Happy Mother's Day.
Exactly. Alright.
Let's go.
How do we open this? I think we need
to take that seal off. So when you take the seal off, it's officially ours now.
Yes. Let's do this. Oh, and then we're going to open it.
Look at that, bro.
Oh, that's the wings, it looks like.
Yeah, look at it. It's all folded. It's like a bee.
Ooh,
Bee
look
folded.
how tiny it is. You want to
wings.
open that up the first bit, babe?
Yeah, there we go. Whoa, bro, look at how tiny that drone is.
Yeah.
Small, tiny
Well, they did
drones.
say you could put it in your pockets.
Wow, yeah, look at
How
this,
cool.
bro.
I think it's perfect for
Bro,
traveling.
this is good for traveling, bro. We have to do travel videos, you know?
This is our first drone, so they suggested this is the best drone to get for your first time.
Wow.
Yeah. Because some of the drones, they go for like they're $5,000. Like,
Well, DG is called, yeah?
yeah, and apparently that's one of the better
This is
ones.
next level, bro.
If you guys disagree, put it in the comments. Tell us what your favorite drone is, yeah?
Wow, look at it.
Whoa.
Look at this. It folded like
It's
a
bee.
tiny bee. Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
Look at the propellers, bro. Damn, look at this drone. Like, this is tiny. This is good for traveling, man. I want to travel. Come on.
I'm excited. Open it like so.
Wow, man.
Look, it's a bit scary to open it all up. Yeah.
Pull the you know.
Oh.
Look at this. Damn, look at that. Bro. Pull that one out too.
Ooh, wait, I don't want. Ooh.
Oh wait, which way is it? Oh no, you pull the
I don't want to break it. Oh, is that right?
Is that right?
No, I think you have to twist it, maybe. Oh, I don't know. Oh, wait. There we go.
Oh, there we go. You have to. Well, I almost break it, bro.
Yeah.
That's 1,300 right there. And I
I
almost
know.
broke it.
So you go like that. Ooh.
Ooh, so you have to twist them from
That
the
only
bottom,
the
eh?
only the bottom ones.
Lucky I didn't force it.
Ooh.
Whoa, bro, look at that.
That's cool.
Oh, that's cool. These are the sensors here, yeah? It's like if something is in front of it, it sensors it, you know? And at the back.
Ooh. This is cool.
Wow, the Pro Mini Pro. Damn. Mini 3 Pro.
Guys, there you go. Looks like
So
a
make
bug.
sure you guys just tune in, man. We're gonna do a lot of videos, you know.
Yeah. Wow. All right, let's put this one down and
Let's
let's
put
see
that
what else
down.
is actually the.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, how do we close?
Oh,
this?
just you go the same way again.
Yes. Oh, this is gonna be.
Yeah, this is gonna be interesting.
We
bro.
have to
We
be
don't even
okay.
know how we don't even know how this works. Twist it downwards again.
Yeah. So we go that way first. I
Yeah,
think.
go that way. Yeah.
Ah,
And then twist it downwards.
there we go. Ooh.
Ooh, watch out for the propellers, babe.
Oh, it's all right, babe. I've got it, babe. All right. So there we go. That's the first bit.
Rest in peace to the drone.
And then.
The controller, bro.
Ooh.
The controller.
So this we got the.
Yeah, actually, it's like it's two controllers. There is one that's not the screen is not built in, but there is one that the screen is built in.
Oh, and then
So-
there's a.
Oh no. There's the things at the bottom of it that you can take off
Ah,
and
you
plug
put
them
them
in.
on.
Yeah,
You see,
put them in,
guys. Yeah, but look, there's the screen.
yeah. There's the screen. Yeah, that's the
Ooh.
I think it's 5.5 inches screen built in.
Wow, it's pretty.
It's nice, bro. I like the controller better than. Actually, there's like two controllers. You can have another one when you can attach your phone there, and it has two things
Oh, was
coming
that
up.
the what? Is that what that was? Ah.
And you can attach your phone there, but this one is
Better, that.
better. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's already built in here. And these two here, you can just take them off like this, and they come off.
Yes, Noah's been watching YouTube.
But I've been watching it. I've been studying this drone since when it comes, you know, and then you can just attach it here. You see, you can just attach it here.
Yeah,
Just attach it here, and then it becomes your controls, you know. Look.
exactly.
It just becomes your controls. Look. Huh? Look at that. Look at that. Man. Bro, this is next.
This is cool,
next
guys.
level, bro. This is next level.
Then this is something else that was in there. Let's just see what this is.
Wow.
So we've got instructions.
Yeah, we got instructions, and I think it also comes with extra propellers.
Actually, I haven't seen them yet. So,
Oh yeah, no, it's gonna be. Yeah, it's in there.
it's in there. I was a bit worried for a second
If
there.
it's not there, it's gonna be returned immediately.
So we
Give you
have
extra propellers here.
extra pair. So 2 pairs.
2 pairs, yeah.
So apparently they break easy.
Wow.
But apparently our drone will avoid.
I can use this as a phone, you know, smartphone. Hello, I'm calling Gambia. Hello.
Don't teach us is that. Otherwise our drone will be broken in no time.
Bro, it even look like a phone.
So yeah, we've got those propellers, guys. So backup propellers. This
Oh,
is
they
just-
give you 4, yeah? 4.
Yeah.
4, yeah.
So this is if you just get the general pack. You don't like because you have to buy the pack separate, the fancy pack with the bag and that. We didn't
Yeah.
get that.
Yeah, we didn't get that, yeah.
Also got the
The
Screwdriver?
Yeah.
you can see that.
Yeah, that also comes with the screwdriver.
Yeah. And then a thing to charge it with, I guess.
Charging
Yeah.
cord, yeah.
Looks like the Samsung.
Oh,
one.
is this, it looks the Samsung one, is it?
Yeah, perfect.
Is it just the Samsung?
It's kind of like a Samsung. I think that's the
Oh,
universal
yeah,
one.
yeah. It's like the Samsung. Then we can, oh yeah, but I think you can use this one rather than your Samsung phone because it's, the purpose of this is the charger for it, so you don't want to use anything else. But
Yeah.
if the Samsung one can charge it, you don't want to weak the battery. You don't want the battery to go weak because you're using your Samsung phone. You know?
Exactly. But yeah, that's it, guys.
Wow,
That's-
wow, bro, the drone, man. Damn.
That's all that's actually in the pack. But how exciting, guys! We'll take a video of our first time doing it too, won't we, babe?
Oh yeah, definitely. Watch out for that video. That video will be coming up. We're getting prepared for our YouTube. We're going big this time. You know?
Yeah, and please comment below if you want to
Yeah,
see
that
anything
way.
else or you got tips for us for our first flight.
And then you go that way.
Yes, oh gosh, that's gonna make me
Wow,
nervous
did you
every
see?
time.
Did you see the camera? This is how you take off the
Cover.
cover. Look. This is just to protect the camera. Whoa, look at that.
Oh, show the
dro-
camera.
The drone is looking right inside you.
It's like a bug, isn't it?
It's like a bug, you know. Yeah, it has those kind of, you know, the what is it called again? The what's the name of that helicopter, bro? Yeah, wow, bro, this looks nice. Let me put it back on. How do you put that back on?
We're gonna break this drone
Bro,
before
we're
we
gonna
even
break
fly it.
We're gonna break this. Oh, there you go. This is how you put it on.
Wow.
That's just the protective stuff in there, and also it has kind of like a sponge thing. When you take, there's a click in on the here and then up here. You just take it off. That's just to protect the camera, and also this is for
sensors.
No, those are not sensors, but it's kind of like a spongy thing they are protecting.
Oh, yep.
In case for like shipment, and if they're shipping it, they don't want the camera wreck. Like,
Oh,
you know
so you
how
take
it
that off?
shakes? Yeah, you can take that one off. This stuff can all come off. This is just plastic around
Yeah.
for safety and so make so.
Oh, very cool,
Sponges,
guys.
yeah, bro.
It's so tiny. Look how tiny it is. Like
Yeah.
for traveling, it's perfect.
Look at it. See the you know the op spray, the helicopter, the op spray. It looks like the op spray.
Yeah.
So these are the sensors here. If there's obstacles in the front of it, the camera it just stops. If like a tree, if you're flying in and the tree is at the front, it just stops.
Oh, that's cool.
These are sensors here, and also if the drone is reversing backwards, these become sensors because it tilts like this. When it's reversing back, it tilts like this so that the sensors can see.
Yeah.
If a tree is behind it, it stops. If anything is behind it, it stops. Yeah.
So guys,
Wow.
you know that if you are looking at the Mini 3 and the Mini 3 Pro, the benefits of getting the Mini 3 Pro is the fact that it has the sensors, as in like it can sense like it will avoid obstacles, whereas the 3 doesn't do that. And also the 3 Pro follows you around, whereas the 3
it can track
doesn't
you
do that.
around, yeah.
And that's the reason we bought this.
Yeah.
Because we were going to buy the 3, we were so close to buying 3, and that's the only thing that stopped us.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'm excited to do our first flight.
Man, you see also the second thing I see, I didn't even know this looks exactly the same thing that's up here. That's what is down here. So it looks like it has sensors underneath too.
Yeah.
This looks like sensors too.
Yeah,
no?
I think they
Like when
sensors.
it's-
That's what I was pointing at before. I thought that's what, and then you said the sponge thing. That's why.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought you were pointing at them before. Yeah, I reckon
Yeah,
they
they look like sensors too, you know. Yeah, they
Yeah.
look like sensors too. But I don't know what is sensed down there. Maybe like
No, us. Because remember, it follows you.
oh, I think when it's following you, it's seeing you through the camera here. You know how
Oh,
it
true.
follows you like this?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
But I don't know if that's sensor.
But I
don't
guess
know
if
what
it's
it is.
low, I guess if you go near a tree and it's a bit low.
Also, there is something. Oh, actually, say what you want to say. Sorry.
No, it's probably because, like, say if it's gone low, like, and then it senses, I don't know.
Oh, sensor maybe a tree or something.
They're just
yeah,
probably
yeah, yeah.
being extra cautious.
Extra courses. Yeah. And also, what I want to say is, babe, wait, did you see the battery in there? What
Ooh.
happened to the battery? It didn't come with the battery.
Uh-oh. Or maybe it's in it. Maybe it must be in it.
Nah, it's not in it.
How do you know? Uh-oh. I don't see a battery.
Are you sure, babe?
Uh-oh. Is it small?
Nah, I'm joking. The battery is already. They already put it in. So you see those two thing like I can even press it right now.
Yeah.
Those are like if you want to take the battery, you just click them and then pull it out. But you know how they put this thing in here? I'm not even gonna take it out.
Yeah, we're not going to turn it on until we fly. So guys, stay tuned for that and we'll have it all set up, and I don't know when or where we're going to fly.
Sally will want to buy a drone. Sally, this is for you. Happy Mother's Day.
Yes, I was like, let's
Sally
purchase
was
it.
definitely into drones, man.
Hey, I
Sally
want
was
us
definitely
our
into
travel
drones.
vlogs to look good, babe.
Yeah, nah, it's true.
I see what to buy and all that, and then what they look great because
Oh
of their
yeah, all the
drone.
YouTubers, yeah, man, yeah, because they have a drone and all of that, and man, quality videos coming on Noah Sal too, man. Make sure you guys stay tuned. A lot of good stuff are gonna come in your way.
Put comments below of what you would like us to like record, or what do you think we should do with our drone. Put it in the comments, and just be aware in Australia we have a lot of rules though.
Yeah,
When it comes to drones, which I'll have to look.
And flying. I'm not even gonna try to fly this year because I might wreck it. I'll wait until when I travel.
So
I'm gonna hide this. We're gonna keep
Yeah, I have to hide it from Aziz.
Yeah, I will hide
Aziz
it
will
from
think
you.
it's a toy and break up the
Totally.
arms. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more, and let us know what you think of our cool little drone, or and give us some tips, and yeah, or what else you want to see with our little drone.
Yeah, and I'm excited.
Yep. And I hope if you were not sure what was actually in the box, we clarified that, because we've been Googling it, YouTubing it, what's in the box, what's in the box, because we were worried about what we were going to buy, because it's so expensive.
Yeah, these drones
But
expensive.
yeah.
And also this one is not even like expensive. The Mavic.
Yes.
Whoa, bro, the Mavic.
I didn't even bother considering that. That's too
Bro,
expensive.
I saw one that's like $6,000.
Yeah.
$6,000.
Like close to, anyway.
Bro, that's a whole car. My car cost $7,000.
So true.
Bro,
So
the Mavic is
expensive.
like $7,000. Yeah. These those ones are high-end ones, you know.
Yeah.
Top notch, you know.
Yeah. Like, if you guys have one, comment below and tell us like what you think of it, and if you got one of these, you got the Mini Pro, tell us what you think and give us some tips.
Also, there's a Mini 2 and Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro. So but we went for Mini 3 Pro because it can track you down, yeah. And also, also, I like the controller. And it's all built in. You don't have to put your iPhone in, and it's heavy. And when the light shines on it, you can barely see. Yeah, you can't see it much.
What's that one though?
The one that you can put your phone in. Like your phone on top.
He did all the research on that. I just went, okay, that's fine. Let's just get. I just agreed and said, all right, let's get the one with the screen on it.
In this relationship, Sal is the secretary and I am the researcher when it comes to electronic stuff.
When it comes to all that stuff, Noah's very good at that. He's on YouTube straight away to check that we get the right one, that we don't get the. He's good at that stuff. And I just go, yes, babe, I'll buy that. Let me do all the admin side of that.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
Yeah.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure you make sure you give us a like, and make sure you share if you enjoyed it, and yeah, drop a comment, because hey, more comments is better for our channel.
Yeah, more comments better for our channel. Yay! Yeah. And also now a lot of videos have been coming on your way, because we have on-screen recording. Was that what is it called? Screen recording.
Well, I hope so.
I hope so.
We haven't done it yet.
We were gonna give it a try, and then there will be more videos coming.
Hopefully, guys, and now that this is a bit older, it might make things easier. Let's fingers crossed. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Yeah.
So, all right. See you guys soon. Bye.
Production as fast as possible, as it provides plug and play production facilities. The government is willing and is ready to closely work with investors to further improve